Today we're doing a review video of a product that I've used for the past, so I say 2 years now. It is the Victorinox pocket knife multi-tool, and this is the Victorinox is the original Swiss Army knife, and as you can see, this is their trademark emblem. And I've used this knife for 2 years now, and it has served me well. It's a very well built knife, and let's go over the features. As you can see, it has a thumb grip ring here that you place your thumb here and open with one hand. Okay, the main blade opens with one hand, and it locks. Many Swiss Army knives usually do not lock, but this one does. The main blade locks in and cannot close unless you unlock it here, and then you can lock it. Again, one hand action, opens. It has a serrated blade, and it's sharpened on only one side, leaving the other side flat. I think this leaves the blade even sharper than having both sides of the blades with a edge on it. But anyway, it's a very, very sharp blade. When it was brand new, I could not put my thumb or finger on the edge without slightly cutting my finger. But right now, I would say it's still sharp, but I probably use this blade for opening a lot of my unboxing videos, and used it for other things. So it's probably not as sharp as it used to be, but because of the one-sided sharpened edge and the other is flat, it retains the sharpness. Very good steel, very strong steel. Let's move on to the other features. It has a saw. This blade has a jagged saw blade, which I have also used to cut branches with. So it really does work. It works very well. I have cut branches, and I have cut cardboard and corkboard and all sorts of things. And I'm talking about pretty thick branches, not just little twigs. Okay, let's move on. By the way, this saw does not lock out. It just opens and then closes. It has a can opener, and yes, I have used this to open cans in the house, and it works really, really good. So this is a can opener. And this is a bottle opener and a flat tip screwdriver. Yep. And this also works very well. And this one locks out. What else do we have here? Okay, we have here on this end a Phillips screwdriver. That also works well. Here we have now it took me a long time to figure out what this was, and in fact I think I had to read the manual to know what this was. This is actually a canvas or sail repair puncturing device. In other words, you use this to guess, make holes in canvases in order for you to be able to sew or repair sails on sailboats or canvases. I've used it to puncture holes into tough materials. Really good, handy thing to have. What else does this knife have? Let me see. I think that's it. So as you can see, it's full featured. It's only it's about 3.5 inches long. The blade is approximately 3.5 inches long. No, I would say with this part here, that's not the blade. I would say yes, it's 3.5 inches, maybe a little less than 3.5 inches. But it's compact, easy to carry around, not too heavy. For all the things that it has, all the tools that it has on there, it's not that heavy at all. Here's a toothpick, and also a little tweezer, so you can pick up, I guess, pick little splints, or little I don't know, little things that poke into you that you can pull out. Anyway, this knife was actually only $24 on Amazon.com. Yes, believe it or not, it was that cheap. It's a superb knife. The blade quality and the sharpness is excellent. You can't get a better knife for this kind of money. $24. I've gone to all different types of stores, outdoor sporting goods stores, Walmart, Kmart, even gun shops, all kinds of places to look for a decent knife to carry around for multi-use, and also a main blade that is just a good knife. And this is the most perfect knife you could find for $24. You can't find anything better. The quality is, like I said, excellent, perfect. I highly recommend it, and it is the best deal you can get for $24. I mean, as I said, everything on this thing here is quality make, quality steel. The handle is strong, sturdy, very well crafted. It does not feel cheap at all. The blade quality is awesome. You can't ask for any more in a knife. It opens one-handed. You could get it to open a lot faster if you do a little bit more action to it, but I don't want to knock over the camera. It comes with a key ring here. I never really use. Like I said, all these features that come with the knife and remain so compact, and none of it is cheap. Everything is good quality built, and you can't beat it. It's awesome. I really like this knife. It's good for camping, good for just everyday use. Just carry it around, and I highly recommend it. Look it up at Amazon.com. I don't know if they still have it.